Hello, my loves. Thank you for spending time with me today. I had a question of how to actually buy these ThredUP rescue boxes. It is kind of confusing, and I know in being in a background in education, if one person is asking, there are plenty of other people wondering the exact same thing. So the very first thing you need to know is you need to be on the desktop version, not the app version. Second thing you need to know is there is a discount code in my description. So if you're not already signed up for ThredUp, go ahead and grab that discount code before you log in into your desktop. Third, you're just going to go to thredup.com, nothing fancy there with the name at all. Once you go ahead and type that in, you'll come to the homepage with it. Now, it is not completely obvious from here where you're going to go. You do have to know that you are going to go ahead and scroll all the way down to the bottom of the page where you would typically find, company contact information, things of the sort. You're going to go to the right hand side, the more ways to shop, and you're going to find rescues. Now, within rescues, it will pull up a bunch of different types of rescue boxes. It will also show you if they're running a sale or if they're going to be running a sale, such as next week, they will be running a sale. So if you're looking to get one, I suggest you wait until next week. I got my last box on a 20% discount, and it definitely saved a lot of money on it. I'm still waiting to unbox those. So if you're waiting right along with me, I promise you they're coming. I just need to get through my death pile first. But anyway, back to our instructions here. There are plenty of different options available. I personally have only gotten the 200-pound rescue box of the mixed lot, so I can't speak for these other ones, but there are plenty of other of those available. There are other people who have done unboxings, and I'll try to link some of their videos in the description so you can check out some of the other options as well. But the one that I typically get is this bulk mixed clothing lot. You can choose how many items you want to get or how many pounds you want to get. It is mixed sizes. You can't really have an option there. You can get 50, 100, and 200 pounds. I always select the 200 pounds because it's always the bang for your buck to get the most amount of items, but obviously you may not have room for it, or you may just want to try it out and get the 50 pounds. 50 pounds is just one box, 200 pounds is 4 boxes. So it is kind of a little bit of a difference. You do go ahead and click get this box, and then it'll take you all through the checkout information. I'm not going to scroll any more down because it does have my personal information there, but it does provide you the shipping and handling prices as well as the price of the mixed lot or whatever lot that you do get. If you do sell on ThredUp, your credits can be applied towards these bulk mixed clothing lots or whatever type of lots that you do get. So I always suggest waiting until you have a little bit of a credit built up. That way these boxes are a little bit cheaper. I do that specifically because when I send to ThredUp, I kind of think of that as a donation because you don't get the most amount of money for those pieces. So by the time I send it to ThredUp, I almost think of it as a donation, and I just kind of save up that money. Then I could buy a little bit more. So that is how you can go ahead and purchase those ThredUp rescue boxes. If you do go ahead and purchase them, again, I appreciate if you use my promo code or my coupon code. I do get a little bit of a kickback on that, but also you, of course, get a little bit of kickback on your side as well. I would love to be able to hear about your experience with it if you do follow through with this, or if you have other boxes as well. Of course, if this video was helpful to you, go ahead and hit the subscribe button. That allows my videos to show up on your homepage and the homepage of others, and it allows us to continue to learn and grow together.